everyone! For today, Jafeer is gonna be making chicken fry, Indian style, and sauteed tomato or ginisang kamatis sa atin sa Pinas. For our lunch, I am really excited about this because this is the first time Jafeer is gonna be making something in the kitchen. Cooking formula. What's your menu today? What's your menu?
Chicken fry lang.
Chicken fry and
Tomato.
tomato. Okay. So, i-judge natin mamaya yung luto niya. Okay?
Yun. Where is
You're
that?
taking the recipe in the YouTube.
Yeah, where is that?
Okay, salt. Put it salt. What did you put before? This one is
Chili powder.
chili powder, and before, what is that? Coriander or cumin?
No, that one.
It's coriander?
No.
Cumin. Mekus. Hindi pa mainit.
This one only not we cook man there, right?
Naluto na ang isang dish. Ginisang kamatis lang yan.
Chili ko.
Ano? Okay lang yan. Chicken fry. Tadan! Naluto na. I-taste test natin. Taste test. Bilis.
Kasi ha?
Sarap. Wow. You have talent, ha? Sarap.
Where?
Oh.
There is spoon pa. There is spoon.
Wala.
How I try this?
Ano gusto mo?
Give me that.
Nag-test ako dito eh. Nagluluto pa siya ng papadam. Papadam, ito siya. You're mixing this with rice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, parang pina-crush nila to tapos minimix nila sa rice. Tikman natin. Masarap siya. Parang manipis siya na chicharon. Hanggang dyan na lang muna. See you sa third day.